bridge above the water. It's worn down along the railing. It's where I dreamt that I would hold her, and as we passed beneath it, we'd stop sailing. She's too brave and I'm just scared of failing her. See how the trees are changing color, branches moving with my feeling, and none of them can reach above her. It seems as if her hands have started healing. My tendency to mess up all I wanna keep, and now my jealousy is filling up the picture. The bridge is burning up, I can't go with her home. Honesty is warming up the water, turning me to ash inside my collar. Oh, my darling, please don't put me out. Ever seen the bridge start swaying, breaking all of its supports down? And I'm just scared to ask if you are staying. I can see you thinking, have you found out? That I'm just scared to ask if you are staying. I can see you thinking, have you found